And the best side hustle is, hey guys, it's Teen Wealth here and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, make sure to subscribe as I post finance videos every single week, and let's get right into it. Number one is reselling items, whether it be on Facebook, Depop, Poshmark, it really doesn't matter. But for Facebook Marketplace, obviously it's just for people that are local. So if you're living in a small town, it might not be the most viable option for you. Whereas for places like Depop and Poshmark, it's for all around the world and it's a global marketplace, so you might have a better chance there. Either way, you can sell a whole bunch of different things. There's always, that clothing piece that you don't need anymore, maybe you outgrown, or maybe that gift that a family member gave that you got on your birthday that you only used once because they don't really remember you because you kind of saw them 10 years ago. It's not personal. Or maybe you bought that thing off Amazon that you don't really like. It's already past the return date and it's just sitting around. You can even mark up the price a little bit, get a little bit of profit. Or you can actually just use those items you got for free and then get them for 100% profit and sell it. There's really no upfront cost. Number two, writing notes if you're a high school or university student, and you can sell them on platforms like Chegg or Course Hero. You pay around $5 to $10 per package of notes and a couple cents per the individual note sheets itself. And it's basically free, there's no startup cost, but you definitely can't make a manageable salary, and it is like coffee money, or you can go out get Chipotle with that kind of cash. And it's convenient too, because all you have to do is scan your paper, upload it, or even just download it as a PDF and get paid for it. Number three, because it's summertime, go and mow lawns. Yes, this needs manual labor. Yes, it is a little bit of work. But I know friends that will pay this one guy like $20, $30, $40 to mow their lawn, and it only takes a couple hours. So if you go and mow 5 lawns, that's like $200 in a day. And really, you don't even have to run ads. Yeah, sure, you can put like listings up on Kijiji or Craigslist, but really, if you just go door to door, knocking on neighborhood stores and asking, hey, I can mow your lawn super quick for $40, flat fee, go ahead and do that. And then they'll just hire you, because honestly, mowing lawns is a lot of work, and you might want to go to a more affluent and rich neighborhood because they might actually leave you tips. And the only real upfront investment or cost is to buy your lawnmower, but if you already have one, then you're kind of good. And then once you make a little bit of profit, you can go ahead and invest in a better lawnmower, one that's even quicker. And then you can cut down your grass cutting time and make more money and mow more lawns while you're at it. Number four is Fiverr. So it's kind of freelance work, whether you're good at Photoshop, video editing, graphic design, all of that kind of stuff. Fiverr is definitely for you. It's very competitive. It's pretty cutthroat. There's a lot of people selling things on there, so you might have to mark your price as a lower number and not make as much profit as some people, especially when you're starting off because you have just about 0 ratings. So I think it is pretty difficult. A lot of people are like, oh, I can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars through Fiverr, but that's just not the case. You have to be able to hustle, run some ads. Okay, I don't know if this is ethical, but like get one of your friends to buy something on Fiverr, give you a rating if that's the case. But it's one of those things where you can just put up a listing and wait around. Don't depend on it for a stable income. And if you book a gig, great, that's like 3 Chipotles. But the great thing about it is that it is remote and it is online, so you can do it from the comfort of your own house. Number 5 is prolific. All you do is it's kind of user research, and you participate in market research studies. So you do have to be 18 plus to do this, but it pays out really well. It's actually about $10 USD an hour, which is way above minimum wage, but it's one of those things that you actually have to qualify and book the gig, so you can't do them back to back to back. So it's not like you're making $10 an hour on a very steady salary. So it's kind of those things that you can use for side money, a little bit of extra cash, but definitely not something to rely on. But you're basically getting paid for your opinions and for your demographics. So I would sell my basic information for free any day. There's different studies like, oh, how do you use this website? How do you go shop for groceries? How do you listen to your music? It's just basic human things that people want to pay you about. It's not like they're asking for your social security number, and I think that's a pretty good deal. Marketing research studies pay well. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe as I post finance videos every single week. It's free education, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.